Hi, Adam from Crown Automotive here. Last video we showed you how to install a set of Trailtail taillights. Now we're going to show you how to modify the license plate to work with them. We're going to be using a set of LED lighting bolts also to light them up. Now there's a couple different ways we can fix this problem. First off, if you look at the factory license plate mount, it overlaps with the license plate. We can easily fix this by just putting a little notch in this bracket and putting it back into place. We don't really like the looks of that, so what we're going to do is take our existing license plate and re-drill the holes and just move it down a little bit and give it a nice clean look. Let's show you how it's done. Our factory holes are about the right size, but they're going to need opened up just a little bit so we can slide our license plate bolt through it. After our holes are all drilled and lined up, it's time to install our LED license plate bolt. You want to make sure that before tightening everything, that the LED bulb is on the down position. Wiring these is simple. The red wire will go to your parking light wire, and the black is a ground. And that's it. Installation's complete on our Trailtail and our LED license plate mounting bolts. For front license plate mounting, we recommend our Roller Fairlead license plate bracket. Also, before you modify your license plate, be sure to check your local state laws. For more exciting products from RT Off-Road, be sure to check out rtoffroad.com.